Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang. All right, gang. So we see price, reverse it back up, from take profit 9. Once price got to zero, you had missed this trade from 1907 all the way down to 1887. This was during late Asian session, um going into late Asian session until 1 o'clock. Price was going down. We was in a nice downtrend. Price was making lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, all the way to zero. Boom, and get out the trade. Because got to as soon as price got to zero, once price got to zero, price reversed it. Price reversed it. Once we see price reversing, this is why we have to pay attention to what is going on. As trading, price can reverse as we know. Looking at the overall direction of the trend, we're still in an uptrend. If we go back real fast, we're still in an uptrend, gang. We remove the drawings and we just go back. We're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. We've been in an uptrend since February. We've been in an uptrend since February. We go all the way back to February 6th, February 4th, February the 3rd. We've been in an uptrend this whole time. Gang, we've been in an uptrend the whole time. So the overall direction of the trend is still uptrend. We go to the 4-hour, we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. You go on a 4-hour, we're still in an uptrend. You missed this move from 1908 all the way down to 1887. As soon as 2 o'clock hit, London session, 3 o'clock, going into New York session, price reversed it back up all the way back up to 1905. It's at 1905 right now. This is why we have to look at the overall direction, looking on a 4-hour, looking on a daily. We can see the overall direction is still up. It's still going up. We're still in an uptrend. Overall direction is still uptrend. Extremely important to understand. I said price was going down. It was going down. And I would have just took the money, take the money when it was going down, and got out the trade. I woke up the next morning and I see price reversing. So we're gonna break that down. Now we're gonna break that down. Go back to the 4-hour. We're gonna break that down. Gang. Let's break this down. Price was still in an uptrend. Price is still in an uptrend. Draw a trend line. You can see price is still in an uptrend, gang. Candlesticks are above this trend line. We're still in an uptrend, or yeah, we're still in an uptrend overall. Overall, we're still in an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. I believe price is still in a downtrend. I believe we're going to reverse back down, but overall we were still in an uptrend, and price should reverse back down. I believe we're going back down now. Um, and but during New York session, London, New York session, price did head back up. I still do believe that prices overall going to go back down. As this right here, this high at 1908, and this high is only at 1905. And price is now going back down. We would have got out this trade from 0.5 all the way down from 1898 all the way down to 1887. We're getting out the trade. We're getting out this trade when price got to 0.5 at 1898 to 1888, 1887. Boom, get out the trade. This price can do whatever. You have to pay attention to what price is doing. Whenever you see price start to reverse and head back up, game, you should be getting out the trade. You should get out the trade, as as price can do whatever. You know, once price got to zero, starting 2 o'clock, London session going to New York session, 3 o'clock, you can see price heading back up, all the way back up, until now. It shot all the way back up, to 903, got even everybody out this trade. You was trying to swing trade this. You should have just took the money. Like I said, there's no reason why you are not taking money. This is why you want to put your stop loss into profit. As price can do whatever, I show you how to put your stop loss into profit. Once price gets all the way down here, you should put your stop loss into profit because price can shoot back up as the overall direction I show you was still an uptrend. I believe we were still going down though. As this high right here, we moved this high right here is at 1908. And now, this is the highest, and high point was this high is at 1905, so I believe that, price was still making a lower low, then making a lower high all the way back up here. Now you could have got back in up here, up here, boom, once price makes a lower high, but, during the London and New York session, price was going up, got everybody out this trade right here at 1898, because you're trying to swing trade this trade. That's why I said take profit. Once price got to take profit 9, right here, we go back. Once price got to 0, take profit. You could put your stop loss into profit. So if any case scenario, if once price did reverse back up, boom, it would have stopped you out and you'd have been in profit. And because you're trying to swing trade this, and every trade is not a swing trade. Every trade isn't. And we're gonna go down to the 15 to see more structure. But every trade is not a swing trade. As this wasn't the swing trade, price made a lower high, got everybody out this trade before what? Making a lower low, making lower lows and lower highs and making what? A lower low, and we're still heading down, but it did retrace back up, one more time, back to take profit 10 at price. When price goes to take profit 10 and take profit 9, it will head back up to take profit 10 before going back to take profit 9. It will do that, price can do anything at once, again. I did tell you price is going down. I still believe that, price is still in the down, finally going to go in a downtrend. We should see price in the next the next few days. Going into March, we should see price, going down, and being in a downtrend. But once price, it just won't go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Like, once price got to 0, and then it started heading back up, you should have had your stop loss into profit. You could put your stop loss into profit. You can modify it. I told you how to modify your stop loss, just in case price can do whatever it wants. This market could do whatever it wants. Once price starts to shoot back up, it'll hit your stop loss and stop you out. Like I said, price is still. I believe that price is still in a downtrend. And we can draw. We could have put. We could put our We could put once price got all the way up here. You could put your. We could have put a great trade in because we sell when it's high. We could have put a great trade in from 1903. Price is at 1901 right now. And price is reversing back. Price is heading back down. But during London session, New York session, price did head back all the way up back to 1905 before making a lower low. This wasn't a swing trade. The swing trade. This probably could be the swing trade. The swing trade. If price is going to make a lower low again, and sellers are going to push price back down. We have to be. This is why I say it's extremely important that you put stop losses and take profits into this market, as you would have. Price would have stopped you out if you had put your stop loss into profit. Price would have stopped you out, boom, and then once price stopped you out, you could be like, oh, okay, why does price just stop me out? And could have looked on the 15. We go to the 15-minute and could have seen price made this morning star pattern, black candlestick, star, yellow candlestick. This is a morning star pattern letting us know price is heading back up, and it heads back up, right back to take profit 10. Like, gang,